open the box from Nana and Geezer and see what Nana and Geezer sent you.
Thank you, Santa, for wrapping it.
We'll do the track in a minute. Let's open this and see what's inside here. You want to look what's inside?
Here, Mommy and Daddy can help you.
Pull on that. Pull. We'll do the band then.
Use it right, yeah.
Alright, Ernestito, let's open this box. Let's open this big box. Here, pull on this. Pull. Keep pulling, pull more. Let's angle.
Here.
Pull more.
Oh my goodness! What is that? Basketball! It's a basketball hoop! Nana got you a basketball hoop.
Ernestito, here, finish pulling the big rock. Pull. Pull it all up. Ha ha ha! Yeah, it's a basketball hoop. It's a basketball hoop. Can you get the bottom there? Pull off more paper. Okay? Okay? Here, can you hold it so I can put it down? Put it down. Alright, here, pull it. Basketball. It's a basketball hoop for Ernestito. Look over there. I say, thank you, Nana. Thank you, Geezer. Say thank you. Can you look over there and say thank you? Thank you. Thank you, Nana. Thank you. Can you put it in the hoop? Hoop? Can you put it in the hoop? Woohoo!
Good job! Yay!
2 points.
Oh, let's not
No, don't do that.
turn
Don't do
push
that.
down.
Yes. Yeah, I can fix it. I didn't want to not put it in right because it shouldn't do that.
Oh, there's a little hook where, oh no, that's the...
You're dropping raisins. And that's not an expression for walking around without a diaper on.
Do you want to dunk the basketball again? Dunk the basketball.
One-handed alley-oop.
Yay!
Exacto. Look at that. Look at that. Ernestito drawing.
Okay, now what do we do when we're all
Oh,
done?
no. Ernestito, when you're all done, you put the top on. And it has to go click. Click. Push it. Click. Push it. Push it more. Push it more. Push it more. Here. Push with your hand. Push with your hand. Click. Oh, that should come off the blood.
Yeah.
With some incredibly strong silver.
Good, oh, good job, Ernestito. Good job making it good. Ernestito, when you're all done with the marker, put them in here, okay? Like that, okay?
But that's going to get in the way of his writing hand.
Oh, that's true.
No, I'm just kidding. No, you don't need to take the top off. Actually, maybe we markers go in here, and the crayons go in here. Markers in here. Oh, Sarah, you want to memorialize his finding of the...
Oh, the exact one? Yeah. Christmas.
Coloring.
No other holiday is as joy and danger in quite the same way. Is it?
That's right. Nice coloring. Inacito. Top on. Click. Click. No, don't touch it. There you go. You want to take the top off? You put the top on? You're mixed feelings about this top situation, don't you? Okay, click. Good job. Okay, the purple is for paper. It won't work on this. No, it's for paper. Here, it's for paper. Here.
There we go. Look at that.
Hmm? It's crayon. Wow, I thought crayon was a registered brand.
Crayola is.
Orange. That's another orange. A little darker. No, it's orange. This one's yellow. It's yellow. Okay. When you're done, when you're finished, you put them back in. Or you can put them in another one.
And see, look at Mama.
Look at Mama. Show Mama the crayons. Show Mama the crayons. Yellow. Show Mama the yellow crayon. Where's blue? Here, is this one blue? Yeah.
Yeah, Nana and Geezer. Nana and Geezer gave you this.
One more.
One more. One more.
Mom,
Nana and Geezer. There we go. Yes, the routing number has a snowman on it, and Santa, and a bear, and a reindeer.
You want me to open it?
Yeah, we'll open it. Hold on. Gotta get the exact order again.
I wouldn't go too far with that. There might be other things that need to be disconnected in here. sounds lawnmower.
From Nana and Geezer. Yeah, Nana.
Lawnmower. Yeah, so nice lawnmower. Yes, you do. You push it. That's exactly what you do to this. Lawnmower. Let's put the handle on it. Lawnmower. Yeah, push it. See what happens. Lawnmower.
Lawnmower. If only it were a real one, then Daddy would, just like Daddy wants you to get a real vacuum. Oh, is that for putting in gas?
That's for putting in gas. These are yeah. And I think bring me the lawnmower. Bring me the lawnmower.
Push the lawnmower to Daddy.
Bring it over here. Bring Daddy the lawnmower. Yeah, the lawnmower. Bring it to Daddy. This goes on the lawnmower. Bring that lawnmower over here. This goes over here. And this goes here. Okay, and this. Look. Is this over? This is, you put gasoline in it. And hold the gasoline tank right there.
Oh wow, it's really starting to come down.
Yeah, lawnmower. Here, push the lawnmower. Push it.